Good morning, dear students and my dear friends. So, today's topic is the operators. So, what are operators in case of C programming? So, in detail, you are going to learn about operators. So, first of all, what are operators? So, we could say that these are the basic components of C programming, like without which you can't work on C programming, because lots of problem statements has been given in case of in the like in our real life we are having various problem statements, and to solve them obviously we need the operators, and we could say that these are the symbols basically which are used to represent some kind of operations, just like arithmetic operators, plus, minus, like modulus, divide by. So, and we are having assignment operators, logical operators. So, various kind of operators we do have. With the help of that, we just apply the logic with the help of programming, and we just try to solve the real life problem statement. Now, what are operands? So, operands are what? Operands are the values, or you could say the variables, onto which the operations are performed, just like sum equals to a plus b. So, a and b are the operands, where the operator is being applied, or onto which we are applying the operators. After that, what are the types of operators? As you know very well, as you deal in your real life with various operators, just like arithmetic operators, we are having relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operator, and assignment operator. Even though out of these operators we are having ternary operator as well, but these are the main operators which are most commonly used in the real life scenario, and with the help of programming we just try to solve in in the automatic way. Now the first type of operator is the arithmetic operator. So, arithmetic operators are the symbols or the operations that represent the mathematical calculations, such as with the help of addition, we do add two numbers or four numbers, or like six or seven. With the help of subtraction, we do subtract, we just with the help of multiplication, we just multiply the numbers, then division, modulus. So lots of operations we are having in case of arithmetic operators. If we talk about the different symbols for these arithmetic operators, then these are as follows. As you could see, the first is the plus sign, which is basically used to add the two numeric values. Even though we could apply these like this arithmetic operator on the decimal point values as well, with the help of float we just represent. Then this minus sign we are having to subtract two numbers, then multiply to multiply two numeric values, then divide for dividing two numeric values, then modulus to return the remainder after dividing the left operand with the right operand. Now, some of the more arithmetic operators which we are having is unary plus, which is used to specify the positive values, to specify, to demonstrate, like this is the positive value. So for that purpose, we just denote the plus sign with the value. So then unary minus means it flips the sign of the value. Means if it is positive, then this minus sign represents like the value is negative. Then plus plus, which is known as increment operator. And if we are applying this increment operator in the this is actually the postfix, we're just using a plus plus. That means the value of a is let us suppose 12. Then it would be increase by 1. Same we would apply in case of minus, but that would be the subtraction part. So these all were the arithmetic operators in case of C programming. Now this is one example based on the arithmetic operators, based on the 9 arithmetic operators which I have told you in the in the earlier operators, types of operators. So what you do, just try to write in code block window try to write it in the code block window. After that, you just run it and just check it, like how actually these operators are working. Everyone, just do write this program onto your code block, and after that, run it with the help of F9 and do check like how actually your numbers, if I'm taking like a equals to 121 and b equals to 224, then how they are working. Just understand it very carefully. Now the next type of operator is the relational operator in C programming, and these operators are basically used for the comparison. Like these operators, just like less than equals to, whether a is greater than b, whether b is greater than c, whether a and b are equal with each other. So like comparison we are just making with the help of these relational operators. So all these operators are binary operators, and they return the value whether true or false as a comparison. So total 6 relational operators we are having in case of C programming. The first 3 are less than, means if the first value is less than the second one, greater than, which returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Then the next one is like less than or equals to, means it returns true or if and only if the left operand is less than. If it is false, then obviously it would return false. Then the next 3 relational operators are like greater than or equals to. Let us suppose the first operand is true, like the first operand is greater than or equals to as well with the second operand. So at that time, we just use this symbol. Then, for example, you need the equals to sign, okay, like whether the first number is equals to second number. So to check this condition, what do? We just use the symbol that is double equals to. After that, we are having the next relational operator, that is not equals to. Means let us suppose like the age is not equals to, you could say 18 or any other number. So in case of that, like if our condition is true, then obviously it would reply with the help of yes. Now the example based on relational operators. So these are basic operators which are used in case of relational operator. So let us suppose you are having the value that is a equals to 121 and b equals to 124. Then do check how actually these relational operators are working. Like it would return the value. Like you just do check in your code block window, and after that you would get to know okay, like the operators, the arithmetic operators were different and relational operators are used for comparison only. So just try to use it. After that, bitwise operators, these are the third type of operators, and these are used to perform the bit level operations on the operands. As I've told you that operands are the variables where we just perform these kind of operators. So these operators are first of all converted into bit level, then the calculation is performed on the operands. So mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Like, and these are the bitwise operators, and that can be performed at the bit level for faster processing. Actually, these operators are used. These are used for faster processing. For example, bitwise AND. So bitwise AND means you could say it results in 1 only if, like if both the bits are 1, then only. Then if you are using like bitwise OR, then what is the meaning of it? Then bitwise OR operator says ki, like result could be 1 only if any one of the bit is 1. Alright, if any one of the bit is 1, because you are using OR, that is why. Then bitwise XOR says ki, like result would be 1 if two bits are different, then the result would be 1. So this is what, these are actually the bitwise operators. Now, this symbol is known as bitwise first complement. Now, what is the meaning of this bitwise first complement? Like it flips all set of values, means it takes one number and inverts all the bits of it. So this is actually the inverting of any one of the number. Then bitwise left shift, what do you mean by it? So bitwise left shift actually denotes like just take the numbers and the left shift the bits of the first operand, and second bit operand decide that the number of places to shift. So this is actually all about the left shift. Then we are having the right bitwise right shift as well. So in case of this, like it takes two numbers first. After that, the right shifts the bit of the first operand, and second operand like decides the number of places to shift. So just like this, our bitwise operators work. Now, everyone, what you do, you just write this program, try to write this program. Either you just take the values from the user or you just make the values constant, and after that, try to implement all these bitwise operators onto your screen and just do comment on the below box like what is the output which you are getting with the help of these bitwise operators. After that, we are having the next one, that is the assignment operators. As the name suggests, assign. So, with the help of assignment operator, what you are doing, you are just assigning some of the values to the operands. Let us suppose you are using sum and a plus b. So, what you are doing, like sum is actually one kind of variable where you are, and with the help of this equals to, what you are doing, you are just trying to assign the values to the sum. So, equals to is what? This is one kind of assignment operator, and these are used to assign the values to a variable, and the left side operand of the assignment operator is variable, and the right side operand of the assignment operator is always a value. I think this is the main key point, you just note it down. The value on the right side must be of the same data type as the variable on the left side, otherwise the compiler will raise an error. So these are some of the points which you need to take care of them. After that, the types of assignment operators. So the first and the very basic assignment operator, that is equals to. So this operator is basically used to assign the value of the right operand to the left operand. For let us suppose you are having A and B. You have just declared two values and B is equals to 15. So what you could do? Let us suppose in case of A you are not having any value. So what you do? You just write A equals to B. So the value of V would be assigned into A. Alright. So next, that is plus equals to. Now what is the meaning of it? Plus and assign. Plus and assign we just say. So it actually adds the value of the right operand. It actually adds the value of the right operand to the left operand and stores the result in the left operand, means in A. I think this is clear. Now you just try it with the help of program as well. Then only will like one clear imagination or the one clear visualization you would get. After that, like minus and assign means what you do? Subtract the value of the right hand side, right side operand to the left side operand, and where the value would be stored means where the result would be stored. So the result would be stored in the left side operand. So this is how the assignment operators work. So just like that, you could perform the multiply and assign operation. You could apply divide and assign operation and modulus and assign operation. These are what? These are the assignment operators, because in each and every symbol, what you are trying to do, you are trying to assign the values. First of all, performing the calculation, then just assign the value. Now, like these are some more assignment operators like OR and assign, XOR and assign, right shift and assign, left shift and assign. All right. So this is one example. Every time I'm just taking the same value, but you what you could do, if the like logic is clear to you people, then you could change the values. You could change the value even though you could change the variables as well. So everyone just do try all these operators so that you could have a one clear image in your mind, like how actually they are working. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now some other operands we are having, like unary operators, means these operators you have learned very well in the previous slides. Then binary operators I have also told you. The third operator you doesn't know, that ternary operators. So ternary operators, basically these work on the three operands. Like this is actually the if condition, which is known as conditional operators. So means in case of ternary we are having question mark then colon sign. And how it works? For example, result equals to, like you are having the one condition, like if age is greater than equals to 18, then the true part would be printed into the first inverted commas, then colon sign. Why? For the else statement.